Use the material layers legend to insert a graphical illustration of the various materials that form a building envelope entity, such as a slab, a wall, and so on. Insert the legend object. Set the legend into position with a click. Customize the graphical representation of each layer on the drawing model. Work from the Properties toolbox directly from the legend object. Define the background color. Choose the pattern type. Color and thickness. The representation scale. Now confirm and view the end result on the drawing model.